In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to install LED side markers on a wide body Challenger. Let's go.
It's a tight fit, but I should better get my hand. There we go. Alright, so let me pop the tape off. Please don't let it. And then once again, I really need to take. This side was the hardest side, honestly. This side is the hardest side. This is something I will not pay nobody. Same thing as the last time. That bad. Not too hard though. Just still compare it anyway. This is the new one now. You should hear it click. You heard one click, then I put the red thing down.
Off of your phone, like the old school light.
Lift forward toward flathead, your pick, or whatever tool you got.
Subscribe.